Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Let's crack on with the week with a unusual tutorial. Is basically a pocket with a window, and then we put the tags inside. Little, yeah, a bit hybrid, like 3 different tutorials into one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Wow, it is warm. It's really nice here in UK. I think it's all over the UK. I'm not sure if it's just our area, because I checked, some of my friends live in London. I used to live in London before, well, and when I met Jay. So when me and Jamie met in London, and then 10 years ago now, and then we decided to move up here for him to stay close to his family, because my family was in Italy, well, still is in Italy. So for me, it didn't really matter whatever I was, because, you know, my family was still miles away. So we decided to come up here to Sheffield, which is the north of UK, and for Jamie to be close to his family. So yeah, so here in Sheffield it is very, very warm, and I absolutely love the on Facebook I follow a page. It's called I think it's called Every British Problem. It's a very fun, it's very typical British sense of humor. It's very dry, and I love it. And there was a post which I shared on my Instagram story. It said, okay, current situation in England. First day, oh, it's lovely and warm. Let's barbecue everything. Second day, oh, it's nice and warm. I can get used to it. Get the beers out. And then the third day, oh my God, it's too warm. Let it stop. Because honestly, the British people are not used to this warm weather. I am, because I'm Italian, so I'm used to be hot, and I'm hot. No, I'm kidding. But no, it's really nice and warm. It did rain for literally an hour last night. It was, we were both, me and Jamie were both very happy, because our garden needed some water. Right, okay, so 2 minutes. I gave you some weather updates. Don't know why, but I am very sweaty, and that's probably why I have to share that with you. So I'm going to go and get a really nice cold iced tea. So I want to film this, and then I'm going to go downstairs. So today, let's play with the kit called Opulent Ephemera. This is part of my mini collection. So it's a kit that has just 4 pages, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, for the price of £1.50. So super cheap, and it's the bestseller on the minis. So I know how much you guys love this kit. It's been on for a while, and I love it too. So I'll show you all the pages really quickly. So it's basically a collage of ephemera and paintings and floral. So very retro, very vintagey. And what I did, when I added the flowers, I made sure the flowers were bright enough to complement with the portraits. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. And this is the last one. So 4 beautiful pages. So what I made with this, and I was having a little play. I saw on Pinterest a very similar project. Well, it wasn't similar, because it actually was very different, but I saw some tags with some pockets, and I thought, right, let's make some. So let me show you, let me explain the process, and I'm trying to be as clear as possible. So what I did, and I think you probably, yeah, let's start with these 2 because they are the same. So the starting point is a pocket. Okay, so it's a strip, but we're gonna do it together. So, and I put inside, this is from Stampin' Up. I think it's called Dainty Delight, something like that. Is one of my favorite paper from Stampin' Up this year, so I got it, and I only got like a couple of sheets left, so I wanted to use it up. I do buy Stampin' Up papers, and I do buy other people's papers when I like them, because it's not just about my papers. So yes, I love it. And I'll show you in just a second why I've used that. And the back of the envelope slash pocket slash floating pocket, if you use this in your journal, is this, and I really like it. So the front has got a window, and I left it like that, but if you want to, you can put acetate to make it like a proper window. And I have used from these three, I have used a circle die, a rectangular die, and a oval die. Okay, and I positioned it, and that's the reason why I wanted to show you. And I positioned them in 3 different ways. So this is centered, this is on your right hand side, this is on your left hand side, because I wanted you guys to see, based on where you get the windows, you get 3 different effects. Now this is my nest dies, so I have used this with it like a round corner, a circle one, and then on here I've got my oval. Okay, so yeah, please notice my very organized way to keep my dies. I'm going through all my boxes because I bought from Amazon the magnetic sheet, because I want all my dies to be like this one. So in every set I got a magnetic sheet so the dies don't move, and to be fair, protect them as well. So put this in there. So this is what I want all my boxes to be. So it's gonna be a process, but yeah, I'll get there. I'm sure I will. So, and the beauty of it, when you die cut your pieces, keep them, because you can use in another project, or you can use in the same project. And let me show you what I made. On this one I have used, this is an old project when we did, we played with the envelope punch board, we made the bows. Okay, so I will put the link down below in case you guys want to look at it. And then what I did with the circle that I punched here, I die cut here, I put it in here. So you can use this as a tag as itself, because I think it's quite pretty. You still got blues, and that's why I picked it, so it's still like really nice and match. And this has got some pink in there which matches the little Cupid, little angel, whatever they're called. And then I thought, when you use ephemera like this, it's nice to and I'll show you a little tip as well. So from here it looks like nothing, and then when you lift it up, so ooh, there is a window, so there is like a final surprise. So from there, and then you lift it up, so you get that optic illusion. Little tip, don't make the same mistake I did. Don't go too far down there. I mean, it's all right, but I think probably a couple of millimeters, that would be it wouldn't have worked, because when I put the glue to glue down the bottom, as you can see, the tag inside is quite close to the edge. You'll end up with a tag that will probably pop out like that, but I'm all right with this. It's literally like done. So this is one, and then with the same principle, what did I make? I made this one. So this pocket, and then I used the square one to put it on top, and I made a little card, say you are wonderful in every way. All of you guys are wonderful in every way, because you guys support my journey, and I can't be any more appreciative than I am. Thank you so much. And again, position it so from there it looks like, ooh, it's nice. And then you lift it up, and then you've got a pocket there and a little card. So yeah, just a couple of ideas. And then as I said, yeah, it's up to you if you want to put the acetate or not. And then the third one, which is this one, I made a card with the same page, sending many thanks for all you do. So it's a thank you card, and then you just put it inside, so you don't have to make things that matches. But again, because this is part of the same kit, I thought, oh, actually it looks quite cute. and again it just popped out. So you can use tags, you can use cards, you can make your own ephemera. So I'll keep this because I'll probably use it in another project. So yeah, so I hope it's clear. Is it clear? Thumbs up if it's clear. Right, let me show you how to make it. So I already cut the Y border, because when you print it you get the Y border. Now this one it should measure 11 inches. Yes. So what you do, guys, fold it in half. Now mine are square because I like the idea of having square, but you can make them rectangular, you can make a circle, your choice. Okay, now because I want to keep my square, so that is 5.5, so I will chop 5.5. So I want 5.5, 5.5. Now because I quite like these images, I'm probably gonna chop something on the bottom rather than keep the flowers and chop. Decision. No, I think I'll stay with them. So 5.5, 5.5, 5.5. And then this is the Stampin' Up trimmer, one of the best products I've ever purchased. Okay, so you get that. Okay, so fold it in half, so you get 5.5 by 5.5. Now I'm going to go and die cut it, and I will probably, do you know what I was thinking as well? You can, should we? Yeah, I'm gonna make a little fancy pocket. Yeah, pocket, a little window. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I've got my window, and then I also got a free embellishment that comes with it. So yeah, I'll probably use it in another project. So like, let's glue. So the reason why I'm using the cardstock is because without it, this will be very flimsy, because at the end of the day, it's printed on normal copy paper. So this cardstock will do two jobs for you. Will make it hard and steady, and also will cover the white. Oh, I forgot to put, I mean, it's totally up to you guys, but I do like to make a little nothing there. So yeah, so do that first, and then we're just gonna glue these. I really fancy some ice cream. I don't want to sound what's the word, not big-headed, it's not the word I'm missing, but it's patriotic, let's say that. But the ice cream that you buy from the supermarket, it's not the same as the proper Italian ice cream, which is called gelato. So when we go to Italy, I eat pizza for a week. No, I'm joking. I wish I could. No, luckily Jamie stopped me. But if it wasn't for him, I would be eating pizza every night and ice cream about 3 times a day. I said to him, last time we went, I said to Jamie, an ice cream a day keep the doctors away. And he just laughed at me. And I was like, it's true. There's milk in ice cream and it's protein. So yeah, I fancy really nice ice cream. And don't know about you guys, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue there and there. So we create a pocket. I can't stand fruity flavors in ice cream. I'm more like a chocolatey person, so I want my ice cream to be very indulgent, very rich. So I like hazelnut, chocolate, tiramisu, what other flavors I like? White chocolate, anything that is very creamy and it's not fruity, because to me fruit is a course and dessert is another course. So Jamie loves chocolate, bars of chocolate with fruits. His favorite is chocolate orange. No, it's not for me. So I'm more like a creamy sort of person. So I will probably go and get myself a nice ice cream after lunch without telling Jamie. So he's at work, so I'm at home, so he wouldn't know. you guys don't tell him either, so it's a secret between me and you guys. Okay, so let me just get the pocket, and then I'm just gonna put this card inside. No, stay there. I got the, oops. In fact, I've made these origami butterflies using this kit. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the same paper from the same kit. It's an old project. So you need to be gentle as you're going towards the bottom. I mean, what you can do if you're making this project, use or print this paper, if you're using my paper, on a thicker cardstock. But yeah, so that's done. Very, very simple. Let me put them all in on the desk so you guys can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What do you guys think? I hope you like them, and I'll give you just to give you some ideas. Again, you can use any windows that you like. You can use any dies that you like. Just a little tip: if you use printed paper like I did, just make sure you use something that is a bit steady. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go. A big thank you to all of you for the constant love and support. But today's shout out goes to Yolanda, and I will put Yolanda's comment on the screen. Yolanda is probably one of you guys that watch every single one of my video and then always leave a comment, and I can't not be more thankful to Yolanda and to all of you. The comment that I put on the screen is regarding the bookmarks embellishment that we made recently. So yes, thank you so much, Yolanda. Your love and support means the world to me. Right, I'm going to go get some lunch and I'm gonna get a cheeky ice cream. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge thumbs up, because it really helps with the video and the channel, because you're telling YouTube how fabulous I am. Guys, I'll put a couple of videos here on the screen. One when we made some oval tags, and one when we did some tags Tuesday with some really fancy tags. I'll put them both here somewhere on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.